Afei no join me a ma me misa se baby awutie me free no. No wa join me on Facebook page. No wa hala me kakra. Na wa mama hwe se de ohun sitie. Obi awutie me awutimi e kan timi trom pese wudi machi ya ade kakra. Na yawo election year.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We are in election year. Anra no last week. And I may say obi say oh the KMA mayor Eddie Atudja say Krofrom dwa afi obewie na onwie ne keke owie ama asantemani age abose abochire abusanfo. If you are aware and if you know the seriousness of
87.9 Kumasi,
and now me person may establish two issues. I will Kumasi. Na yenya mre ebisa ya ho say, hey, so kuro we mu ayewo no. Are people caring for us? Are people thinking about us? And I say, man for eye won ankasa parochial interest. Mokaya on the 3rd of November, it was rather 23rd. Mo joining me on Facebook page.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
November 14th, 2023. Onia online page in the KMA boss promises completion of Krofrom market before expiration of his tenure. The mayor of Kumasi, Samuel Pine, has assured that Krofrom market will be ready before he leaves office. Speaking on Akoma FM show, speaking on Ghana Akoma morning show on Akoma 87.9 FM in Kumasi with Aduanaba Kofi Asante, my good self.
Akoma FM
Mr. Pine
87.9 Kumasi.
They have shortlisted 3 companies to finance the project. He said they are waiting for the final approval for the ministry. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly has taken cognizance of the delay of Krofrom project. It is doing what it can to secure funds to enable its completion and complete the entire project. The mayor of Kumasi, Samuel Pine, has stated. This was a quote. He said, the urgent demand of the Krofrom market made it imperative
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
When completion,
Akoma
the
FM
new Krofrom
87.9
market would
Kumasi.
have 2,300 stores and 2,800 shops and other supporting facilities such as police post, fire station. The mayor, Mr. Pine, underscored the need to complete the project to contain as many displaced traders as possible for the Krofrom market. Over the years, residents and traders at Krofrom, a suburb of Kumasi, want government and city authorities go through to expedite action on the market project, which has been left uncompleted for over a decade. A decade, you can't decade. Boss, how many years? Decade. 10 years. A decade. 10 years into it's almost 2008. ABC 2024. How many years now? 20. More than 20 years. 22 years. For 2008. ABC 2024. 22 years.
Akoma FM 87.9
more than 2 decades. According to them, this leaves the area with no proper market structure. The Krofrom project, which is situated on a vast land, is aimed at increasing the retail space in Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. The work commenced in 2008. There will be 3 shopping blocks which will have anchor space for banks, shops, retail outlet, leisure center, warehouses, office, clinics, pharmacy, car park, auxiliary floors, daycare center, refuse collection site, and toilet facility. And it was so on. Absafo. Krofrom market, Orua Samuel Sapon. Omampani dada kufo. Estati ya or ya shortcut and to her. Samuel Sapon came to do his best on this project. Abaya bako, ubo Krofrom marketer. Eduko KMA almost site website na achrew de kwadwobosu eka ye wo Krofrom market
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
ababa chrew de sampan aka wo ho many sampan any nkomo wo Krofrom market not less than 3 times e wo ha mo hwe Facebook page edwa no na mo hwe and na February you were less than 10 months. Na Ghana kwa kotoaba. Na Aduanaba Kofi government is over. It becomes a history. I'm talking about Nana Aduanaba Kofi government. Sampai will no more be a mayor of Kumasi.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And then you were my de race course and futuro ebo womu eku womu epro. Ya wo ma eda race course akronfo wia wo mo ya wo ma eda race course a wo mo agya pade e na esei manfo dwotrase Kumasi medie mia Kumasi mahura mane e wa abraba wo bebo yemu all because of a decision by a government to say yes a befitting modern type of market nobody is ever ready say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
There is some point in Komo Okroma. And this on my network for years. Obabe dia konya ye mu bi bua ye born ababa je ne gongongo no yoyoyo. O si aka nanim. Omo adwuma. Otene toso. He is sitting on top without doing nothing. Kofi Asante akotwe na adwen agina niam awudo bi a etwa so waye so. Leadership is by drawing your attention to your responsibilities. Yeah, mayor
87.9
Kodobo sunu mo krom ha. Yeah, mayor osesi benu mo krom ha. Sampai ya money chamso o kana asama on kasa ho. Nti nano in November he had no choice. Kakra na ja. Na no kra ye ka Santase market asem. And reluctantly was a mamenka kakra. To kasa nyina, it was a very tensed atmosphere. And some of us were reminding him to the stand say we want him to succeed.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
One legacy I bet me say for over 2 decades. Abaya bako woman to me amameye a certain regional secretary of one time MPP and had the opportunity to become mayor and with me buaya owie Krofrom dwa and now me no won komopa me mpre wo mo mo twa me wo Facebook page we need the year data kotobi na bra just join me and no pay I want to take you on a journey me do ko the back and say na me do about the future no one say mpanimfo bi abro e wo krom ha na sabe oman there is me DP more opportunity wo me number. There is one philosopher bia in the at the Franz Kafka. I say one idiot is one idiot. obi a ojimfo baako ye ojimfo baako pe. Two idiots are two idiots. Winya ojimfo mienu omo ye ojimfo mienu. 10,000 idiots are a political party. No comment on this. Ojimfo baako ye ojimfo baako. Ojimfo mienu ye ojimfo mienu. Nanso winya dom nipa beburu beye mpem du a woma koma ene woma dwen eni fie nwe mpanimfo ho enwe woman ne ho a eya amanyofo
87.9 Kumasi
omba be ya amanyofo abusafo teniye pa o. I am not by any means insulting anybody, but the American say this is a quote from Franz Kafka, because ohun say adeɛ bi wa wo tie kire na wo ma amanyosɛm a the ordinary person betima kire wo say adeɛ we de wo ye ni say ya enka at least ebetimi aboa. And this is a country a ye wo kro we mu oba omai Ghana, the only region a market oriented Asante region.
Akoma FM
87.9 Kumasi. Now we do one second business nkofo dwadi a waka omai na koma. Nti enya nwanwa sabra kwadwobo nsu eteso na obu kejetia market aguo adwadifo ne mai wo Kumasi abonte so ebo naked ana sampan edi animu kwasi chei edi animu chama wuntumi edi animu kwabena senchire edi animu party mpanimfo edi animu demonstrated say mutu adwadifo ma ewo Kumasi anu aduane egu, and indeed they were right.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi,
because you can do the right thing at the wrong time. Makan wo fia oba bi ton ensuo ewo traffic light here what the akasi last year how much bia medu oba 5 o'clock 5:10 na oba ni sunsuo toda bitimi ba be 4:30 na oba ni sunsuo nyina traffic light na se sua ye makom da kru mi du ona gina ona bi se oba se woba aden e na wo sunsuo ahomache konkomre sa suo na chele esinti ne kon ayatare oseda mete sokoman na mama ntamo a ya na ebima di kan begina anam se wura nti wo gina nsuo ne satan ben ose ye be ya mo be 11 kra na mabre nti wo se makwa akosoe nsuo na akotana ba bi nti omo be ba kra no omo yeto omo nsuo me nam aye nto nam se you are doing the right thing at the wrong time. To boas na bra be 10 na wia na nipa no nsuo nyunu na meche nam se eye demon to me be a ehye ma we ade papa e wo breboni mu debe sato no so na me bomb ayama no nam se from today you will not do the right thing at the wrong time. If you oba na bo for abehu so ne namo o se da na anu me do me ka do o se da ya me nhira wo se me nsuo ni timi sabe mienu. You have to demonstrate to people say edomre bia nyansa ehu hia ye wo kra we mu edwedie ani Kumasi Asanteman Akoma project awodu egu kroma nyina has come to a halt. Ye see kejetia ni enim se nkaja other satellite market ebekoso amadwadi atimi
Akoma FM 87.9
aban abako NDC abako omaja Krofrom dwa wo ho oma ba be si kejetia market den a omo nya bie di amayen etika MPP ba ye di kan wie Krofrom dwa na ye wie ya boa na de wo dada no structure na ntimi amubu amu ye ti kroma de si dan a champa abre so after 45 years ye di over 8,000 more than 8,000 bed capacity of maternity blocks. Yes, watch your budi nyina
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Abusafo and now me no work for 20 years. Eja we si ho structural defect and intimate pass structural integrity da. sa woka se wusi Krofrom dwa because enipa dom ena eba betan dwanim polytanks any mixer concrete mixer ni machines esimu nyina na da so hoi e cut 10 months na MPP abai for 8 years o san kofie Krofrom dwa si ho ye nyanwie promises upon promises ofra pani we anu asebo ofra pani we no ne dia to nkyɛn ofra pani we no ne dia to nkyɛn ofra pani we osasi beba ye no so saa kukufa kokware saa so yeguso ana obi aba akwala jesu project ma menye project ebebo ye nsema maye ye baba to aso no de me baba ya obi ahu se menya me 10% ni menya me 10% eni ma me nkopa me nua contractor no no ma me start no no start e menya me de adi so people are self-centered now what mamu na wote woni de nobody cares about you tie sampan ebra me
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
Krofrom dwa no eyade a metu ho na mo pa amene baabi mu duro ba miensa edidi nkomo a ye pesika yebetimi de awie
Akoma FM
Krofrom dwa the last time I checked now Oma awarded to a contractor omuguso omoye
omo ye shirts no but adwuma na aka no na dɔɔso even terminals na se fonya
mempochable
betimi akodi dwuma ewo ho
why bra sampan eba obedi mayo na mene ne tenase wo fidie mu ha na wo hwe menim na me so behwe nanim na me so
Akoma FM 87.9
our only hope do something before you die. Why am I recollecting a next story way because over last week matisa sampan nama o see oba be wie Krofrom dwa ansana 10 months no edu na wasori afri Ghana konwa kese so sampan me no tenase e wo krom ha e ma wo ma me 3 cardinal things to be remembered as a mayor ebesi ne Asante man ni bebia akwa kuduru Sabe
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
na ye de aprempuntuo e de amaye nkrofo na NDC we omo no Asante man ye mfa ne saa because ye ntubum e ma wo mo na no ko manhia bafo bantema hene wo say MPP e Asante man na Asante man e MPP Kofi Asante nyam nam kan e kontre ono ankasa ene kan e aninti if for nothing at all say NDC will not forget about Asante man major strategic project it should not be MPP ade na binding eto VAT etoto electricity so any wisia ewo kroma wo sanjeje woto because yakọ IMF ayekọ no omo frɛ se bra be kyerɛ ye kwan abefa so a ubenye sika na ye bosia na ye de about $3 million watu ade ama ye ye de ye nwen just tell us one kasa be kyerɛ ye kwan abefa so a benye sika eninti aban ne kwa e two options sika na aban ni die no
Akoma FM 87.9
it is so bete so anasa wo beje to e de afiri baabi e de aba na do dan kwa akofo ado aban say expenditure ne de mente so na mo mekọ me manfo ro san kwaji sika e de abremo IMF ene ye ne ene ye da so timi si am no ka say Sino hydro project ahodo a e wo my Ghana mu nyina has come to a halt especially Takoradi Asante region Greater Accra several project e koso Ube Kumasi abonten so project Central Market
87.9 Kumasi
suspended maternity blocks suspended Bubodi nano minya report Kumawu omawie Kumawu hospital omo ye rehearsals right they are doing training for workers into the various hospitals and there nyame adom almost completed because Kumawu hospital is completed. That is a fact. You can quote Kofi Asante but Krofrom dwa eda so asikrodua we mu ha on 14th of November 2023 ana me fresh Sampan
87.9 Kumasi.
Samuel Pine which are almost 3 to 4 years to the end of your term. Krofrom dwa Sampan oyende tie
Kofi,
87.9 Kumasi.
which say you be paying no money. You're too one more fidelity. There I can be very blunt with you. President Kufa but you are working on a different facility with UNCD for any other direction agencies before. I know crying my 2 call. You could share more program.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Or Mufana report, and I believe said we are currently planning of saying run a car or more a day meals no ever, but we are hoping said yes, several times I started management meeting.
to one a different source of funding for
We
Krofrom
are
market.
looking at a different source of funding. See their response to feasibility, maybe their response. We were expecting it yesterday and 9 there.
I share about PPP and answer BOT.
Oh, I know they say yes, I can't Pusia into Yankasa Tika. I know no assurance which I will Saka and Yafina, Asante Beka to Koboma Miama, and we see
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Would you can Akoma?
Many Anton, Minya, Kopanesa, we say there.
Samuel Pine Koma Kofi Asante Akoma FM in any day. This was the second time. Maybe Sampan say, how would you want to be remembered at the end of Nyameya Domwa Utena of office? 4 years time.
Nneɛma bi a esibeni so. Edi kan sanitation. Se kronum beti na yetumi adua ye nua ma ɛha yɛ fɛ. 2 Krofrom dwa no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Bi mu duro ba miensa edidi nkɔmɔ a yɛpɛ sika yɛbɛtumi de awie.
Akoma FM.
Krofrom dwa the last time I checked, now Oma awarded to a contractor or Muguso Omoye.
Oh, Oma ye shirts no, but adwuma na aka no na dɔɔso. Even terminals na sifo nya no. Ndi enu baabi a nipa betumi akodi dwuma ɛwɔ hɔ. 3 the nanu bi muka ho asem say yes sa efunu ni na sifo ohwe. Kumasi Children's Park.
Yeah.
Redevelopment of the place.
Okay.
As I speak with you, I've engaged about 3 architectural entities.
I see.
Mama yama the concept.
Okay.
I want the concept.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Children's Park,
FM.
yeah, Children's Park.
The Benya educational facilities, library, ICT center, a facility, Benya indoor game room for Kora. Then the young already agro amusement park. Then eatery, young can say canteen. Canteen. I've gotten so far 2 at the nice drawings. Abba.
I see.
We're looking at the 3rd one. Now, as a year, nobody didn't come more about say a funding from home. It is one thing. The 4th important thing now, me per se,
Akoma FM.
Shelter. On say, yeah,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I am a major issue to this.
As I speak with you, KMA, you need baby a 4B street med.
Sabapanya KMA mayor. Only no aiding combo. And in fact, this is the first interview meaning the D Ebra Babe mayor. So far, I listed about 4 of visions na some purpose to draw. First, sanitation. 2nd, Krofrom. 3rd, Children's Park. Then the 4th, provided shelter at the destitute Danas and Kofwa and then Kumasi Montreal. I think there were about 5 or so. Samai, are we on course?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
First of sanitation. Kofi, any sanitation across the greater Kumasi district no any issue. The issue because never be a nipa a be here. If I work a home, we where a junior will hold maybe the sorting crown my year on about 5 occasions since
Akoma FM.
some 2 months or so ago, you could clear her. This weekend, Christmas break, me fa home. Nipa da se me twisi sa free da say.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
A good training and I do behind our back. But Rebecca Nikura, since the past several months, we've been making sure say the city is cleaned almost every time. We use a zoom line of tracks be a area. There's no system I say if you talk for mana after cleaning. And because of the situation within the city, you get people working in Christmas period, for instance. We put the time from morning to the next morning. They have difficulties. Obekwana Oma and I do under the tracks, you may in your mano. No, a packet, or move pina, and some crown matching you too. It's how much you may do on another job, no packet, so the few track last year, the female, a female nipa, echo. And I'm saying to you, but can I say, you know, European Union, and Spain, and that's proud to bed. Mabudi, I started project via your pilot by quarter first week of February. Containers
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The basis baby no money I install it because all my ship were a non-poso eba. A new training school a demand quantity and then the bay empower them with startup money to get into sanitation. This know we are very much on course. So back here my do a green information center or could set up my own found. So I know we are important about 7 tracks to augment the project. Only when I'm COVID-19 from procurement of those tracks became a bit difficult for us.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Manufacturers to get us the product. Africa, we are looking at the real Mabrosa by early April. No, yes, tracks, but so far, no, we are dealing with the tracks that we have, the one at the and the Zoom and all that. Companies now are able to do that. As part of the project, no.
Obisanfo, where some more pine?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Osi Kumasi Children's Park. Mo na mo no pe mo misa mo Children's Park say what has Sampai done to Children's Park?